Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you a Gossip Harbor hack for 2026 so you can actually get rich. So as you can see guys, I am low resources, but I'm going to show you guys how to get them. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. So if I press this button, I can actually turn on free gems. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download the Gossip Harbor hack onto your phone. So let's see if the gems start going up. So as you can see at the moment, they are stuck at the low value, but hopefully guys, it does start increasing. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device. And bang guys, as you can see, they are going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this 2026 method. So let's get straight into the tutorial. If you guys like Gossip Harbor, I'm now going to show you the Gossip Harbor mod download. So the first thing we're going to do, I believe, is go to the website. It's I believe tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. So once you're on this site guys, you're going to see a number of modded apps, which are all usually games. So you just want to go to the search bar and type in Gossip Harbor, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a second to load up, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to let it load. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, it is loading, and then it's going to take us straight to the verification page, which is where we need to download the 2 apps. So let's just give it a second for this to load, just so you guys can see. It's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to go ahead and download some of these apps. Doesn't matter which one, but you can see we got like Travel Town, which says reach level 9. So I just press on it, press continue. Takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I reach level 9. So this one's like a game guys, so it's pretty easy, but not all of them are games, but the game ones are usually pretty simple. So yeah guys, just make sure you do 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super awesome. So as you can see, we have many other apps here. We've got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. We got Mode Casino. This one says search the app and install it. So if you guys are depressed because you're spending so much money on this game, all you have to do guys is try my method. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in Gossip Harbor. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see guys, oh my gosh, here it is, in-app purchases, very, very expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but if you guys don't want to pay, then be sure to try us out. It's super cool. So yeah, Gossip Harbor is a fun game and all, but you know, having no money kind of sucks. So this is why we use the Gossip Harbor mod for unlimited resources in 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to download a Gossip Harbor modded version, this is how to do it. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super crazy and it's totally working, guys. So get the word out, and you too can get the Gossip Harbor hack for your device. So yes, it's super awesome, and it's like updated and everything, so you guys should be able to do it. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool and it's like fully working and everything. So peace out, my crew. This is super awesome that you can actually use the Gossip Harbor hack for your device. So yeah, I mean, I've tried a lot of methods and this is the best one. So I mean, I know haters and stuff, but yes, you can hack Gossip Harbor and get unlimited money on it, which is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. It's super cool. So if you guys like Gossip Harbor, then definitely try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to tell your friends about it, because lots of people don't know about this method, but it is legit. So I'm going to see you guys later. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. This is super cool. Totally works. If this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one, and peace out, my crew. Oh my gosh.